In this quick tutorial, I'm going to go over how to modify your sales funnels for anything you actually want to do with these funnels. So what you need to do first is click on Sales Funnels over here to the left, and that'll list all your current sales funnels that you have set up. And then if you look over to the right, you have a column called Actions. And you'll see all these little icons. You can put your mouse over it and it'll tell you what every single one of those icons does. The very first one, of course, is Modify. And you have a set of icons for each one of your sales funnels. So if we want to modify your Google Plus Exposed here, and here's the niche, here's the image of the product. So if we wanted to modify that one, we click on Modify. It'll first list out, here's all the links for your sales funnel, starting all the way with your squeeze page. And then it goes to your thank you page, and then here's another page, a thank you page if the person was already on your email list. And so on and so forth, your OTOs, your download pages for your OTOs. Right here are string replacements. We'll come back to that in just a minute, so I'm going to leave that expanded so you can see that. Here we go, general product information. In here you can, if you wanted to, you can change the niche, so it might make more sense to you. This is the niche of the product. The product name, you can change it to say whatever you want. It'll modify it throughout the sales funnel. And then product image URL. Here's what you would put the link to the image. So if you wanted to create a different looking image for the product, you can go ahead and create your own image and then paste that in here, and that'll show up on your squeeze page and on your download page. The next few little things, these are more for if you're more experienced and want to change some things around. If you want to change the affiliate information that you're going to use throughout just this sales funnel, you can click on affiliate information link, and it'll right below it, it's going to pop up or pop down these specific fields. You can have your PayPal email address, ClickBank username, Paystreet username. You can modify them to whatever PayPal email address you want, ClickBank and Paystreet accounts that you want to use. If you don't want to see the affiliate information anymore, you just click on affiliate info again, and it'll close up. Website analytics, you can click on here. You can type in any type of analytic code that you want, and it'll show up on throughout all the pages in the sales funnel itself. So if you have a third-party analytics tool that you're looking to use. Also up here to the top, you see where it says enabled. As you can see, it's gray right now, so this product's disabled. If you wanted to enable it, you can click on the left-hand side and see now it's blue. That'll be enabled. Enabled, disabled. If it's disabled, then the sales funnel will not work anymore. It'll actually give them an error page and send them, so they will not see that sales funnel. The next step is going, here's the general product information, is to go to the squeeze page, opt-in page information. You can click on this little bar. Here's the title that you can change. If you want to change the title that's on your squeeze page, and right now this is actually an image that's on the squeeze page, you can have a subtitle. And here's the exit pop-up URL that will show up if they try to leave your squeeze page. You can change this to whatever you want. If you did not want an exit pop-up URL, you can highlight it, delete it, and just have a blank space there, and then the exit pop URL code will then be taken out of your squeeze page. To get to some more advanced things within your squeeze page, you can click on the opt-in form link here. It'll pop down some more information. If you're using Aweber, you would put in your Aweber list name here and your web form ID number. If you wanted to change them, if there was already something in there, you can put them in there and change it. If you're using a different autoresponder, you can type that information in here, put in your own information. Such if you're using GetResponse or eBizac or Imnica Mail or iContact, you can put in your whole entire opt-in form code in there instead of using the Aweber integration. But if you wanted to look at some other advanced settings, you can click on, and here's all the HTML for your squeeze page. So you can go in and modify the HTML for that squeeze page. If you wanted to change any type of wording or any type of images, you can go in there and modify it. And these use, let me show this because you might have seen it here. See where it says ClickBank with the brackets around it? Those are the string replacements. And you'll see a list of all the string replacements up here that you can use and what they really are. So down here where it has ClickBank, it'll actually, when it creates the HTML page, your squeeze page, which is this link, when it creates that page, it replaces ClickBank with what you had typed into here. So it makes it easy, so if you wanted to go in and modify anything to do with your sales funnel, because there might be multiple exit pop-up windows with your squeeze page and download pages and all those different things. If you want to use a different ClickBank username within that sales funnel, you can change it in one place and it'll update all the HTML pages. So same thing as in for in this HTML page here that we're looking at. This is the squeeze page HTML. It'll have title. Well, it's going to replace it with this title. Same thing as, you know, subtitle, product image. It's going to be using all the fields that you've already typed in. And opt-in. This takes your opt-in form code and plugs it in. But you can modify everything on there if you wanted to. Same thing, here's your thank you page, redirect, and this is once they click submit, there's what I call a thank you page redirect, where it gives them a message and it tells them thank you, you'll be sent an email containing details on your product. While you're waiting, please check this out, and then it forwards them to their to the first OTO or one-time offer in your sales funnel. There's another thank you page redirect, and this one is one that would be used if mainly if you're using Aweber, because I know Aweber has, when you're creating your opt-in form code, there's integration, so it knows if this person's already on your email list, you can send them to a different link, and this would be the page that you would want to send them to, and you'll be able to go in and modify any of that HTML. The download page redirect, this is when the person receives their email to download their free product. It'll actually first go to this page and tell them that they're on their way to the download. Before they get to the free download, we have another offer we want them to see. But you can change anything about that. You can change the refresh time. You can see, if you know HTML, the content is set to 5 seconds. And as you can see here, this is another replacement, string replacement. It goes to the another OTO link. Same thing with the download page settings. You can go in and change everything about it. Title, subtitle, exit pop URL, the link to download the product. Maybe you wanted to change it and put something else into the zip file, so you can and put that onto your own web server so they download it from you. You can do all that. Download page HTML. And then you get down to all the OTOs. And here's where some of the magic actually works. You can click on OTO 1. And you can change anything about this as well. You have price that you can easily change on the fly. You can change it from 16 to 17 to whatever you want. Title, subtitle, exit pop, just like previously. Advanced settings is the HTML for that page. Download page settings is the title, subtitle, exit pop, and HTML for the download page. And on here, if you didn't want this product for OTO number 1, you can just click on the drop down box and choose what product you want to offer as the first one-time offer. Then if you go to OTO 2, what we suggest is for OTO 2 you have the same product as OTO 1, and then what it'll do is it'll show a downsell. It's not the exact same sale page, so you're going to want to make sure the price is lower, and by default it will be. You can change your title, your subtitle, exit pop. There's advanced settings and download page for that. All the way to your OTO 3, 4, and 5. They work the exact same way. You can just, if you wanted to change the product that you're showing as an OTO, you can click and change the product. If you wanted to modify title, subtitle, you can go ahead and click those. Now, if you do change the product, like here it was Offline Super Cash, let's say we wanted to change it to how to create WSO products. all you can do here is change the price. And then when you click modify, don't worry about the title, subtitle, and everything. It's going to automatically take the default information for this product and populate it and create that OTO page. So then if you really wanted to, then you can go back and modify that HTML. And everything all the way down to OTO number 5. There's 5 different OTOs in the whole sales funnel. You just click on modify and you're done. Now if you wanted to delete this sales funnel, you can always click on the delete button. Or if after you've modified this sales funnel, and let's say something just got completely jacked up, don't know what happened, you just want to bring it right to square one, to default what it was when you first started. You can always click on this little reset button and it'll reset the entire sales funnel right to the default settings. So that's how you modify a sales funnel. Hopefully that answered a lot of questions.